Welcome people, why may I tell you? It come like in a these times where you know so we have the coronavirus out and a peer pandemic. You have other things that going alongside the pandemic. May I tell you brother, cause look upon one. Only time you see a topic like this, you know. And when you watch like some Jerry Springer show or CSI Miami, then type of something there, then white people news there. Because this a news of people, you know normal. Because basically what me I say, with the virus out and now, we shouldn't have so much news every day they release. People they dead, people they thief, people they do this, people they do that. Then things that should have slow down, way down. Anyway still, when me get in there till so no can hear what go on. The police have arrested a man who allegedly held up a mother and daughter and forced the mother to watch while he raped one of the daughters. The alleged perpetrator has been identified as Garreth James of Auldayr District, Bluefields, Westmoreland, who was arrested and charged with 2 days of illegal act. The police said the incident took place at Bluefields Beach Park in the parish. Reports are that on Saturday, April 18, the mother and daughter were held up and the perpetrator forced one of the daughters to engage in sexual activity with him while the other family members were required to watch. James was arrested and charged with rape and grievous sexual assault on Monday, April 20. Alright people, now here we go and see the very sad news. If you know say you have your house and people broke in your house and then do that to one of your family member, then you have to do it and watch. You understand? I know I'm pretty sad still. I tell you, as the world turns it get evil and eviler. But anyway still, like and share and subscribe. Until next time again. Peace.